mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and
Guys, I know you haven't seen me in a while, like physically, like me actually show you my face. But yes, during this quarantine or whatever we like to call it, the coronavirus pandemic and all that stuff, I always see a whole bunch of people just talking about it on YouTube. I already hear about it on the news, so to turn around and go to YouTube and still hear about it, and then people trying to, I guess, make profit off of it or whatever the case may be. Y'all, oh, come on. I didn't come on YouTube to see all these videos about coronavirus. I came to see fun entertainment, but that's neither here nor there. I'm speaking for myself. So in today's video, I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and stuff. I was supposed to do my hair. My mom was supposed to cornrow my hair so I can do the crochet braids. So I don't have to worry about my hair ever again, and do some other videos too as well. But I'm just going to, you know, my hair. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the process, but obviously it's going to be sped up after this. But this is just a vlog, whatever day it is of quarantine. I've been in the house doing my thing, YouTube, stuff like that, so I have videos coming, but I'm not going to sit here and talk so much about this coronavirus. Like, I already hear it on the news. I don't need to hear it here. So that's enough about that. Okay, I was gonna do a video based on it, but I don't, defeats the purpose of what I just said, so no. But I will be doing a whole bunch of videos hopefully during this time, and hopefully you guys would like to watch and whatever the case may be. But I know that you guys are at home probably doing other things, but also want to watch YouTube videos. So I guess I'm just gonna give a whole bunch of YouTube videos, because that's what I'm doing. I'm watching videos. I'm okay with staying home. I'm a homebody anyway, so I'm okay with staying home. I can make some stuff to do or whatever, sleep, whatever I need to do. But yeah, but today I'm just going to blow dry my hair because it needs blow drying, obviously. So this is what it looks like, wet. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this thing. All right, let's go ahead and do this thing. I have my towel here. If I need any products, I'll go get them, but right now I'm just gonna use my towel. This is what it's looking like so far. See the progress from what it was before, what it is now. I really needed to do this. I really needed to do this. Whew. Y'all. Progress. Progress. Don't worry, I'm wearing something underneath. Progress. Period. I'm gonna show y'all what I used. I used Blue Magic conditioner hair dress. This is a little bit, I got a little bit in there. So yeah, I don't know what else I want to do. I think I did what I needed to do, but I'm gonna do a little bit more. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get my hair cornrowed. She's gonna be using this product amongst other things too, but I'll see you guys when I'm done. Yeah, it's looking good, Ma. Okay. I like it. Oh, so she's done. So it'll be so much easier now to literally put these things together and do my hair. Period. Let me show y'all the other part. She used my own hair. So yeah. She had to do 2 little small ones back here. But still gonna be cute. Yeah, y'all. But this is what I look like. I look like a boy. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm just glad I was able to do that. And since I'm here, I might as well just show y'all what the products look like. So, I'm gonna show y'all quickly what the products look like. Cause, you know. Okay, so, this is what the product looks like. I hope y'all can see it. Hold it right here. Okay, this is what the product looks like. It's a new brand. Essence Luxury Premium Hair. $4.99 a pack. That's what it looks like. I wish I could put y'all right so show y'all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 packs of hair. This is the packs of hair, y'all. The height is 18 and it's a 1B. So this is what I'm gonna use for my hair. But yeah, you guys, it's probably gonna be like this short right here. This one is Bohemian Wave, so I'm trying something different. So yeah. But I will be doing some of this tomorrow. So I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, we definitely have a lot of videos to film, y'all. We definitely have a lot of videos to film, y'all. I'm super duper excited. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, y'all. Hopefully I'll come back and do the other parts of the video. So yeah. But this is what the hair looks like. So yeah, I'm super duper excited, ready to do my hair. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say to you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. There should be a part 2 to this video, so look out for that. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on for more videos with me. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.